the driver of the scooter, I mean the motorcycle, who met with an accident injury.
Oh, the rider.
Yes, I'm not the rider, my lord. I was driving the motorcycle.
That's what, you're a rider of the
Correct.
motorcycle.
Yes, my lord. I suffered the injury, my lord.
You suffered.
I suffered the multiple injury, and your lordships may see the paragraph number 2. That's more important, lord. 7 operations were carried out in the Seven Hills Hospital, the finest hospital in India then, my lord.
We thought the petitioner was the pillion rider. He's rider or pillion rider? Mr. Counsel for that.
He was a pillion rider, my lord.
Ah, he was a pillion rider.
In fact, the driver who died on the spot, I think.
Driver died on the spot.
Yes, my lord, and he was the pillion
rider suffered injuries.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I'll correct myself, Lord. According to my information, I was riding, and the bank manager, who was actually the pillion rider, who died on the spot. I was the person who was driving. That's my case, my lord.
And you're the injured.
I'm the injured, my lord. I was shifted to the KG hospital, the government hospital, the best hospital there.
So how much the MACT ordered?
So the MACT blood awarded is only 5.2 lakh, out of which the medical expenses is only 2 lakh. And then the loss of income is only for 6 months, that is a 70,000. And the amenities is 1 lakh. And then, my lord, the mental pain and agony is 50,000.
Where is the MACT's award?
My lord, it is at page number 27 onwards.
27.
To 45 page.
And my lord, at page 42, you may.
42 is the
Pickup is at page.
pickup is at 42, my lord.
What are the injuries?
My lord, the injuries I have given, my lord, it's a skull injury. Then there is a, my lord, the teeth, lower jaw, and then, my lord, the tibia, the femur and the tibia of the right hand side. The entire right hand side, my lord, suffered the fracture and multiple injuries. And I was in the comatose stage for 30 days. And then I was inside the hospital, my lord, for about 78 days.
What
I
was working as?
Lord, I was working as the VAS, veterinary assistant surgeon then. I was a surgeon then, my lord.
So you have gone back to work.
I went to the work only after 2 years. Though I joined, technically I joined on the 13th of May 1996. But actually I was completely bedridden for 2 years. And thereafter also till now, I'm having a 1.5 inch shot in the leg below right hand side.
All right. Are you working or retired now?
I am retired, my lord.
So 5,20,000 was given by the tribunal.
Correct, my lord.
And High Court?
My lord, the High Court retained as it is.
High Court has...
High Court only, my lord, changed the head. And this is, my lord, at the page number 4. Page number 2 is the extract.
Yes.
And the...
Where is the compensation?
At page 2, my lord.
Page 2 is by the tribunal.
Tribunal, my lord.
Tribunal.
Yes, my lord.
But the High Court's?
High Court has at page 6, my lord, may be seen.
Page number 6 and 7.
On account of, my lord, future income and amenities, it was 1 lakh was given. And on other amenities also, there was a repetition, 1 lakh of rupees 1 lakh. So High Court has added 1 lakh on account of mental pain and suffering, my lord.
All right. Where is this thing? Let us see the doctor's evidence.
My lord, before that,
We discussed.
submit at page 37, my lord, kindly be seen. The order passed by the MACT, my lord. May I read, my lord? Top of the page, my lord.
Where is the medical evidence?
He has not filed. Basically, my lord, the accident has occurred in the year 1995. And he has claimed, entire claim petition has been filed in the accident that occurred in the year 2016. He was a government servant. Let me come in. He was a government servant serving in the government of Odisha as an assistant surgeon. He has just, he was admitted for 2.5 months only. Learned Tribunal has considered all these facts. He has joined the service just after 6 months. And High Court and Learned Tribunal has categorically taken that the documents he has filed is not conclusive. Kindly may I read, my lord, page 37. The findings of the learned tribunal, my lord.
No, when did the accident occur?
Occurred in the year 2000.
My lord,
Well,
if
if
I
I
may,
may,
It was in the year 1995, my lord.
95
95 accident, and award has already been granted, duly upheld by the Honorable High Court, my lord. Subsequently, in the year 2016, after 21 years, he has filed some out of some, I don't know, because no document is there.
See, MSCT.
MSCT awarded in the year 2000, my lord.
3rd of March 2006.
When was this filed?
6, my lord.
It was filed in 1998 pursuant to the Pillion Riders Award, and then it was on a wrong jurisdiction. It was returned, and then it was filed again in 2003. So the accident is of 1995 November.
Yes.
The first MSCT case was filed in 1998. Then it was returned by the MSCT tribunal, my lord, in 2003, and it was again posted at the appropriate court, that is in that particular, my lord, the village that is about 500 kilometers away from the Bhubaneswar. That is in the year 2003, and the award is the 2006, 3rd March 2006, which is running from the page number, my lord, 27 to 45. Your lordship may kindly turn to page number
We have
38.
got 28. The award is of 2006.
2006, 3rd of March 2006.
Please go to issue number 2.
Issue number 2, which
Brain
starts.
injury, nasal injury, ear injury, ventilator, and lower jaw.
My lord, starts at page number 33.
So and so, so and so.
33.
What is the whole body disability?
The whole body disability is the 55 permanent injury.
55%.
55%, my lord. There's a certificate to that effect for the doctor.
And how much the MACT took?
My lord, that is not at all discussed, my lord. It was not
And
discussed.
It is discussed at page 37. May I allow to read?
Just let me read, my lord, the page number 33 onwards. That your lordship will
what's
clear.
the percentage of disability taken?
Disabilities are 55%, my lord.
55%.
Yes.
So total monthly salary was 14,000 and so on what head you want more?
My lord, I say this. I was treated in that hospital for 78 days, out of which 58 days I was in the ICU. I undertook the 7 operations, my lords. And this entire right hand side body operation.
So 2 lakhs has been granted for medical expenses.
Initially, I claimed 5 lakh for the purpose of the medical treatment in the hospital. Apart from the medical treatment, your lordships know that the Ajay Kumar judgment, my lord, there are other requirement expenditures can also be reimbursed. But I only claimed at that point in time in 2003 5 lakh. Then the 2 lakh is beyond. After I left the hospital, I claimed another 2 lakh for the various other treatment I was undergoing that, because in the meantime, I am completely become defunct. Then, my lord, I have also claimed for a 3 lakh. So as far as the tribunal is concerned, my claim was 10 lakh. And then I was also asking for a future treatment, which is not part of that 10 lakh demand. But in the meantime, my lord, I was allowed by the High Court to file the affidavit, by virtue of which, my lord, I started claiming about 30 lakh. And that, my lord, I am suing only in the form of, because it was not properly, my lord, the evidence is not properly there.
I can only concede to that effect.
It is not properly and correctly, because it was 500 kilometers away, and that too also, my lord, at the border of the Andhra Pradesh and High Court. That is the jurisdiction, my lord. Now,
Right now.
so, my lords, only my humble submission kindly
On
see
what head it has to be increased? Tell us.
the treatment. The first is treatment. Since my original,
You have produced all the medical bills.
I have produced all
So
the,
accordingly, it has been granted.
no, my lords, I have not produced the entirety. I have
That's where then who can help you if you don't produce?
My lord, just kindly see the facts, my lords. Just for a moment, just kindly see the
See,
facts.
whatever medical bills you have produced, as per that 2 lakhs has been granted.
No.
That too in the 1995 accident.
Right, my lord.
Loss of income for 6 months.
Correct, my lord.
So at what amount has been taken?
They have calculated the 11,000 at that point in time, the salary, which they calculated only 6, though I was
So for 66,000, it's rounded off to
70, my lord,
Right.
70,000, right.
you did not lose your job.
No, I did not lose the job, my lord, but
And
my
loss of other
profession,
amenities, comforts 1 lakh,
correct, my lord.
mental pain and suffering 50,000.
1,50,000, my lord. It is 1,50,000. High Court has increased
has
it to
increased.
1,50,000.
But the overall
Yes,
remains.
it has, yes, overall is same, but it was that the life of, I mean, other amenities was repeated twice.
Where it has reduced.
Look, no way they have, the High Court has only changed the head by saying that earlier 1 lakh amenities, for amenities, there were actually the future income. They were also considering 1 lakh. The High Court has stated that it is perhaps is the repetition of one amenities and comfort of life, and therefore reduced that figure of 1 lakh and added to the pain and injury, pain and agony, my lord, and
Became
increase it to
much-
1.5 lakh.
Same.
From
So it is the same thing.
yes, it has only retained as it is, my lord.
Now you tell us under which head it has to be increased.